Hey there, and welcome to our tutorial on how to set admin permissions for the text message feature. Connecteam's text messages feature is a powerful way to reach your team instantly. Since this feature uses company money, it's essential to manage it carefully. Let's see how to control its admin permissions. Admins can be assigned permissions in two ways, through the admin section under the user tab or directly within the feature. Let's start here. Head to the Users tab. Here in the Admin section, find your admin. In the Permissions column, select Text Messages and check which permissions you want them to have: View Messages, Send Messages, or Purchase Message Credits. Next, let's head to the Text Message feature and click on the Admin Permissions bubble. Here you can set up default permissions for future admins joining the company. Decide whether new admins be automatically added to this feature and whether current admins can add others. Adjust these toggles based on your needs. That's it for today. Thank you for joining us. For further assistance, feel free to use our Help Center anytime.